Hello, today I am to show you how to use the Microsoft PowerPoint in order to create the 2D Airfoil session. There are a lot of the subscriber and follower ask me a question how to use the Microsoft PowerPoint to create the 2D animation. This is very simple. Okay, here I will show you how to create like this. This is the UI. This is the Airfoil session. Which movie have I'm done. Okay, let's go how to create. Okay, create a new slide. Okay, here and go to the home. Here is the free form shape. This is the free form shape. You can let's start here. And like this, like this. Oh yeah, okay. And then right click. Here is the edit points. You see edit point. Yeah, okay. And then we have to edit this point here. Okay, click this one and also click this one. Just a slide. This okay, not beautiful, not beautiful. Okay. Yeah, it's not so bad. Yeah, right click and outline, dot outline, and fill columns as you like. Okay, I will change the this one. That's it. Okay, here you can move, but ours you see our ailerons pivot point is the center here. Now our arrow center point is here. That's why like this. But we want to move the pivot point from here to here. So PowerPoint has no tools to move this pivot points, and that's why we have to create how to do. It's very easy. And Control C and Control V here. Okay, I'll make another color. Okay, then rotate and join together here. If you want to set the PowerPoint here, set here. Oh, a lot ready outside. Sorry, my studio not ready for this. Okay, select and Control G here. Okay. Yes. So how to do it? Here, select right click and set in position. Goes to the fair. Here transparency. Okay. That's why. Yeah, this is your flight control. This is our flight control. It's really beautiful. And then how to animate this? Very easy. And right click and duplicate slide, and then move as you desire like this. Okay, go to the transition and move like this. Okay, you see. Okay, shift F5. Okay, click. You see here. Now your flight control movie. Yes. Okay. See here. Okay. This is very easy. Okay. Just applying the morph transition. Okay. Thanks for watching to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe button. Thank you.